Hello everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. This video I will be unboxing, unbagging, undoing these two packages from package 1, this is video 3, of my huge new frog order. Trying to debate. Okay, I guess I should, just in case this is somebody's first time watching. I ended up getting a 90% off coupon. Don't know how I did it. It was just random. It was there. 90% off everything in my order. So I ordered everything that was in my cart. Ended up with 68 paintings, something like that, for $51. And it came out to an average of 75 cents per kit. It came in 4 packages. I've unboxed 2 packages. This is package 1 because I don't believe in doing anything in order apparently. And this is video 3 of package 1 right here with these 2. Okay, I think we're caught up. If you have any questions on that, just leave it down below and I'll try to answer what I can. So we are going to unbox whatever these 2 paintings are and see what else we got. Excuse my weird voice. I'm sick. I'm on cold meds. So I'm also slightly loopy. We're doing some loopy unboxing tonight. Okay. This one. Oh yeah. I love this picture. Is a partial. And the part that you do is her dress, her clothes. Isn't she gorgeous though? Yeah, gorgeous. Okay, so that one is this one. Tiger Fairy, very creative, right? Yeah. If I remember, I'll insert a picture right here of what it's supposed to look like. If you just see me going like this, then oops, I forgot the picture. 40 by 30 is what it was advertised as, partial round. So it's definitely partial. It is round. It's 8 colors. This looks like a good travel whip. Symbol clarity. Anybody want blues and a purple? Because, yeah. So the symbols they use are 1 through 8. Symbol clarity itself looks fine. I can see them all. The 2s and the 3s are a little bit hard to distinguish, but not too bad. Okay. So, flip this over, let it relax a little bit. Toolkit, same. Boat, wax, pen. And there are some baggies in this one. Alright, let's take a look at these 8 colors. So we can see what color of a dress she has on. I don't see any DMC codes on anywhere on this, so there will be no DMC codes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So blues and purples in various shades are going to be what goes into making her dress. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's going to look fantastic. So there she is. I think this one I wanted in a partial so that the tiger looked like a tiger and the girl's face looked like a girl's face, and yeah. It'll be nice, quick, easy project between all the other harder projects that I have. Okay. Accuracy of description. Yes, it showed me a picture of exactly what I was drilling. So I knew that I was only drilling this much of the painting. That did not come as a surprise to me. Processing time. It was 5 days between shipping. It was ordered on November 15th, shipped on November 20th, arrived December 13th. But because the order is so huge, I'm going to go ahead and give them the whole point instead of just half. Outside packaging. They were packaged in this right here. So, yep, that works. Protects from the elements. So that's 3 points. The inside packaging, it was packaged in this, which is also waterproof. And then inside this, which has little bubble things in it. So they can have a point for that. I did get the toolkit, the drills, and the canvas. Technically, I could open this up and start drilling right now. I would actually want to flatten the canvas a little bit more, but that'll work. Canvas condition. There's no hard creases in the canvas. These are just something that will either flatten out by laying under books or by being in my portfolio, or I'll give it a quick iron. The glue condition is fine. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It bends right with the canvas where the creases are. There's no bubbles. There's no rivers. It is plenty sticky. I think it'll hold the drills on there just fine. Drill condition, well, all 8 colors looked, there wasn't any oily ones. I don't see trash. So point for that. The symbols, clear and easy to read. Yep, I can tell the difference between all of them. So point for that. Overall, am I impressed? Oh yeah, I love that picture. It is literally exactly what I was expecting. So, that one, 10 out of 10. And I need to write down that there was 8 colors. Alright, and let's open this one. Nope. And this one is 2 of them. So I know which one this one is. Because these were ordered as a 2-pack. So they came as a 2-pack. So here is this one. It's the one that shows the baby kitten up here and the tiger down here. Like this. So I call it Tiger Reflection. It's supposed to be a 30 by 30, partial round. It is 6 whole colors. Not sure how I'm actually going to like that one. I don't think they had the graph on here of how this one was going to look. In the viewfinder, it doesn't look too bad, but I think you're going to get 0 detail out of that. But I could be wrong. 5 colors. I may have already said that. The glue, just fine. We'll just go through this as we do the scoring. So, accuracy of description. Well, It told me it was a 30 by 30. It told me it was a partial. It told me it was round. 30 by 30 is going to end up being the whole canvas size, not just the picture. The picture itself is just slightly under 27 by, well, that's weird, 24. It looks square to me. What did I do wrong? I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I started at the 3. It's 24 by 24. I thought it looked square. Okay, so let's take a look real quick at... Wow, I am so sorry. Okay, so it's 6 colors, not 5. Let's take a look at these 6 gray shaded colors. Let's see what we've got. Okay, drill condition, I'm not seeing any oily ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that all looks good. Had the same outside packaging, same processing time, same inside packaging as the other one. It does have the toolkit, which, oops, I forgot to show you. Wax, pen, boat, but I bet you could have guessed that. So a point for that. Canvas condition. It's not a cheap, flimsy canvas. I mean, it's not an expensive Diamond Art Club canvas, but it's not a super cheap canvas. Like, that doesn't scare me that I'm going to tear it. So, point for canvas condition. Glue condition's fine. Symbols. Symbols are okay. Let's see if I can... Oh. Okay, so it goes that side down. Okay. Let me see if I can get it to focus on the symbols a little better without that on there. Oh, doesn't look like it, but they're okay. They're not hard to see. I'll be able to make it through that. It is a lot of gray, just shades of gray. So I'll probably use a light pad just to be sure I'm using the right gray. So they can have the point for symbol clarity. Overall, am I impressed? Meh. I don't think it's going to have the detail to it. But it is what it is. So I'll go ahead and give them the point for that because it's not anything I wasn't expecting. I was wondering with a 30 by 30 how much detail I was going to be able to pull out of that. I guess my answer is not a lot. So 6 colors. There's that. And then this one is another partial, but it is the Rainbow Kitty, and that you can see what that is. So I do like that one. And because this one was sold as a 2-pack, that one got 10 out of 10 for the unboxing. I'll take this one and I'll average that because it literally was sold as a 2-pack. So, accuracy of description. This one did have a picture. I knew what was coming. Processing time, they get their point. Outside packaging, same, get the point. Inside packaging, same, get the point. I did get the toolkit, wax, pen, boat. I got the drills. going to sneeze, I'm sorry. And I got the canvas. I could start working on this right away, as long as all the drills are here that's supposed to be here. Canvas condition. There is no hard creases in the canvas. It's not a cheap or flimsy canvas. There is 16 colors to this. There is the drill field. So it's nice and colorful. Very good symbol clarity. I can tell what each one of these are. So I like that. It does have DMC codes. So they do get their point for symbol clarity. Let's go ahead and look at their drills. Like I said, 16 colors. Does have DMC codes on there. And these diamonds look great. Yep, no oily drills. I don't see garbage. Okay, there's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that's pretty. I really like that color. 15 and 16. So like I said, they all look fine. I don't see garbage. Yep, everything looks good. I don't know what's going on right now with the drills. They're just being a pain in my butt. Okay, there we go. So they get the point for the drill condition. Overall, am I impressed with it? Yeah, I am. That's actually really, really pretty. So, for this one, this was one, so I paid 75 cents for both of these, and then 75 cents for my painted lady. So right there you're looking at another $1.50. This canvas, 10 out of 10. This canvas, 10 out of 10. So, again, great job, New Frog. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down there. I thank you all for watching and subscribing, and I will talk to you in the next one.